Now moving on to the global update, both Pfizer and Moderna have increased the prices of their COVID-19 vaccines and their latest supply contracts to the European Union. And the S&P 500 neared a record high on Monday as $1 trillion infrastructure bill lifted the sentiment. More stories on today's International Minute. Both Pfizer and Moderna have increased the prices of their COVID-19 vaccines in their latest supply contracts to the European Union. Each Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine dose will now be €19.5, a 25% increase from €15.5 previous price, and that's going about $18.4 to $23. Similarly, each dose of the Moderna vaccine will now be €25.5, which is around €25 and about a 13% increase from the prior €19 prices from the first procurement deal. However, orders for the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine orders that have been since significantly larger than originally anticipated. This is a large part because parts of the European public have become more skeptical about the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccines as options after serious blood clotting concerns emerged. The S&P 500 index neared a record high on Monday as a $1 trillion infrastructure bill and strong second quarter corporate earnings lifted sentiment ahead of the launch of the macroeconomic data this week. Trillions of dollars in the stimulus have lifted the Wall Street to record high following the coronavirus-driven crash last year. While upbeat of the second quarter corporate earnings led the S&P 500 to its sixth monthly gain in a row in July, despite the growing threat from the Delta variant of the coronavirus. Cybersecurity startup has been getting a big investments in the past year with a sharp rise in the high-profile cyber attacks. Nozomi Networks, a San Francisco-based industrial cybersecurity startup, said on Monday it raised about $100 million from its customer and technology partners to help build new products and expand sales. Nozomi Networks specialize in the protecting critical infrastructure such as oil, gas, water, as well as manufacturing facilities. Zoom Video Communications Incorporated agreed to pay $85 million and bolster its security practices to settle with a lawsuit claiming it's violated users' privacy right by sharing personal data with Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, and letting hackers disrupt a Zoom meeting and a practice called Zoom bombing. Subscriber in the proposed class action will be eligible for 15% refunds on their core subscriptions of $25, which is larger, while others could receive up to $15. IDX Channel reported.